and I don't know how the quality is gonna be because I've tried live streaming before, and the quality was too horrible. It was horrible. So yesterday I made a video on AUDCAD, and I was saying that I'm anticipating price to come somewhere around this level before we can push to the upside, and seems like price did just that, and I was looking at how price has been behaving as far as this pair goes, because looking back you will see that we are pretty much headed to the bullish side, right? As you can see, price keeps on breaking structure to the upside, it keeps on making higher highs, so I was just focused on what price has been doing, and I noticed that from this day on the 14th of May we were bullish. The open was here and the close was here, was bullish. The 15th was also bullish. The 16th it was a bearish day because the open was here and the close was here, right? However, the 15th nor the 17th didn't give us an entry, right? However, moving forward, we can clearly see that the open was here and the close was here. And then just yesterday on the 20th of May, can clearly see that the open was here and then the close was here. And I was anticipating price to come at the Asian low here, and price did that today, tapped this level around. We still have an uptrend, right? So this is a setup that I'm looking at. Obviously on this day we were bearish, the open was here and the close was here, and then the following day on the 16th the open was here and the close was here, so this day was also bearish. And then on the 17th the open was here, the close was here, so this day was also bearish. And then on the 20th the open was here and the close was here, so this way was bullish, like we were having like the first bullish run in a while, right? So after that I just plotted my Asian high here on the recent bearish day, which was this day. There's a reason why I didn't pick this day. I wanted to pick this day because this day closed above this day, right? So I'm basically just waiting for price to see how it reacts, and as you can see price did react here a little bit and then it went up. Let's see, because we always target 1:3, right? So let's see. So we could have hit 1:2 there, right? Could have hit 1:2 there. So yeah, this is still an open trade. We will see how it behaves, but overall I'm looking at the euro versus the New Zealand dollar to the bearish side, and also NZDCHF. This is a trade that I'm looking to trade. So it's a setup, I mean. And looking back, remember there was a setup that I shared in the Telegram group. Here, let's look at this trade. It was crazy. If you follow our free Telegram group, you will see that this setup I did post it. And yeah, this is the New Zealand dollar versus the CHF, and I was anticipating price to come to this level. It did that, and then it has been pushing up today. Ever since it has been pushing up, basically, right? So let me just see how much risk to reward we would have got had we just maybe held this. So that's 1:28. Man, that's crazy. That is crazy, 1:28. That's how far price moved since the last time I analyzed it, right? So today I was analyzing it as well, and obviously price has been to the bullish side, right? You will see that open here, close here, bullish, open here, close here, bullish, open here, close here. On the 17th it was bullish, open here, close here. So on the 20th, which was yesterday, the price was bearish, right? So after that we look for Asian low, which is this one here, and then basically I'm just waiting for price to come somewhere around this area. before we can start pushing to the upside, right? So yeah, that's what I'm looking at as far as NZDCHF goes. And then Euro NZJPY, okay, it's one interesting setup to look at as well. So this one is, it's straightforward, right? Like very bullish, right? Very bullish. So I start analyzing. Open here, close here, bullish day, open here, close here, bullish day, open here, close day, bullish day. And the current day, I'm not happy with what I'm seeing currently, because the open was somewhere around here and price is relative to the open of today. So I'm just hoping price can like push a little bit to the downside and just mainly close below the open. If price can close below the open, then I'm going to start looking for my buy opportunities at the Asian low, right? The next day, which is tomorrow, or the day after that day, because I don't know when price will get to this exact level. I don't know, right? We don't control the markets. I always say that we are merely participants, you know, so we just have to be appreciative of what we are getting from the markets. So this is the euro versus the JPY, minimum risk to reward of 1:3, and this is if price closes below this horizontal line, this line of ours, because now price is playing around that level and we want price to close bearish. We need this day to be a bearish day so that on the following days we can execute when price gets to this level of 169.39, right? And then yeah, that's what I'm looking at as far as euro JPY goes. And maybe let's look at NASDAQ. Right, looking at NASDAQ, pretty much to the bullish side. This one is not even debatable. So let's look here. Open here, close here, bullish day on the 15th. Open here, close here, bearish day on the 16th. And then this is the kind of things that we look out for, you know, because we want the day to close bearish, obviously. And then you can clearly see that on the 16th the day closed bearish. And let's look if maybe we got an entry, because we're gonna target the Asian low. You can clearly see that price never came to our Asian low, because once we see a bearish day within a bullish trend, we want price to get to our Asian low, right? And then okay, didn't happen, but let's pay attention to where price reversed. Right, so price reversed at this area, right? So we have an impulsive move to the upside, rally base rally, right? So this area here, although it's a big area, it's a huge one, it's a huge area, you know. Doesn't even interest me, you know. Like before I used to trade, before the strategy that I used to use before, I would focus on such areas, but now I don't do this anymore, you know. But it sort of makes sense why price reversed from this area, right? And come here, so it's fine, we move along, right? So moving along on the 20th, open here, close here. This day was bullish as well. Currently open here, and this day seems like it's gonna close bullish because price is obviously above this day, right? So should price, I don't know what will happen. I don't know if there are any news. Are there any news? I don't know anyways. Should price maybe close below this line here, then we obviously gonna start looking for our longs at the Asian low, right? So as you can see here, it was almost like I think it was an overlap between London and New York. However, this is the lowest point of the day, so we're just gonna call it Asian low, right? And then even though it didn't happen during the Asian session, right? So yeah, we're gonna wait. If price closes below this white line, this horizontal line, then we're gonna wait for price to come somewhere around there, and then target our minimum risk to reward of 1:3, like that, and then yeah, boom, we have it. And if price comes somewhere around here, then we're just gonna execute. So yeah, this is what I am currently looking at as far as NASDAQ. Maybe let's check out gold. Let's check out gold. Okay. All right, let me just clear everything because I don't know what happened there. So on gold, pretty straightforward as well. Pushing to the upside, right? It's no brainer. So open here, close here, bullish. Open here, close here, bullish as well. Currently open here, and the price seems like it's gonna close bearish, right? Hopefully it closes bearish. And should it close bearish, should things stay the same, we're just gonna target our region low like this of the previous day, right? Although price did struggle a bit, because as you can see, the open here was here, and then price shot up, and then all of a sudden price started to drop, and then it went up again. So on this day, price really struggled to make any kind of impactful movement, right? So we're just gonna try our luck with this zone. Basically, just gonna try our luck with that zone, and also this zone is matching with our rally base rally, right? So it's a rally base rally, so it's matching with this level as well. So although we don't trade that, but it is what it is. And then target minimum risk to reward of 1:3, right? There we have it. I just want to see something. Let me zoom in here. I want to see you guys. Okay, we don't have any fair value. We can't do that because we need the day to close bearish, and the previous day did not close bearish, right? But another thing to look at is that look how price was pushing to the downside, very impulsive, right? So one would assume that this day is going to close bearish, and then one would just get in at the Asian low, you know, and then just say, for the fuck of it, let me just buy, and then they bought, right? So anyways, that's what I'm looking at. We might have, I don't like these, but let me just make these. I prefer, I don't like my charts to be cluttered, you know. So what the hell? Okay, so yeah, we might have some reaction from these two levels, we shall see. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at on gold. Yeah, on gold. Yeah, all right. Yeah, fuck it, let me just stop streaming because I was just testing out. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. I don't know how the stream went. I don't know if the quality was good. I know the lighting was bad as hell because I'm just testing it out, you know. I don't really care about the lighting as well. I just want to see the quality. So your peace in the Middle East. Thank you for watching.